What's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day today, and everybody wants to know, is the market going to crash? And it simply comes down to levels. You guys really need to understand your levels and how to kind of trade them. If you guys have followed me, you know that I was talking about this 405 level being a key area, and once we broke that, we started seeing some aggressive selling to the downside. Now this kind of happened in the future session. On Friday we made a lot of, broke a lot of support areas, so we did get that selling pressure. And early on today, if we take a look at the intraday time frame, we can see that we were kind of going sideways here. We really didn't have a direction. We've been up, down, up, down, up, down. And then when we really broke down here and I started seeing the flow come in, that was mainly pretty bearish activity on the flow side. And also, if you take a look, they were hammering these 400 puts. They have 199 volume today, 199,000 volume, and the OI was only 29. So they were really coming in and hammering those 400 puts out of the open here. And once this level kind of broke down and we popped back up into this 405 level, right? This is the level I mentioned, that 405 level is when I started getting into puts. I got into puts. These puts moved for over 100%, and it was just a simple support and resistance trade, right? We understood that this 405 level was going to be an area of support. If broken, what happens? Old support turns into new resistance. So once we had that sell-off here, once I saw the bearish activity coming in, look at this. This is all above 88, 128, 88,000 bearish activities coming in. On this retest, I placed my bets, good risk to reward. We could have had stops a high of day here, but I was just betting against this 405 level, got into puts, and it sold off nicely simply by using the flow, the support and resistance levels, understanding where our key levels is on the daily, and just taking that trade. Now, are we going to sell off further? The next big support is really sitting at around this 392 area. We have some volume node at 400. That's a psychological number that we might get some buying pressure stepping up at. But ideally, 392 and then 384 is going to be that big area of support. So we really have to just watch for this as we're coming down here and see if these levels continue to hold, form reversal patterns, and then we can kind of get involved and start getting in those calls. For now, under those levels, I'm just looking to see if supports are breaking and getting involved in puts. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys did find value in this. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Share this video with somebody who you think will find value in it. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.